morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you my blow dry routine. I'm just kind of wanting to know what my hair looks like completely stretched out, and I'm also getting some braids, so I'm gonna have my hair stretched out so it's not, I want it to be nice and neat basically. So last night I did wash my hair with my Black African soap, and I have a video on that if you want to see how I dilute it and how I use it as a natural sulfate-free shampoo instead of using like a harsh shampoo or even a natural shampoo. I already have this soap and I use it all over my body, my face, everywhere. So I love using it on my hair. It gets my hair completely clean and moisturized. And then I also used conditioner. I use my favorite conditioner at the moment, which is the Herbal Essences conditioner. But before I did all that, I did do a pre-poo, which is like, for me, it's a hot oil treatment. And if you want to see what that looks like, I definitely can link it down for you in the description box, or you can go to my channel and check out that video. Now, if you want to see how I wash my hair, I do have a wash day routine, and it shows you like my curls and all of that jazz. So just go to my channel. I already have those videos posted, or look in my description box. So I already created 4 sections of my hair. After I detangled the section, washed the section, and conditioned the section, I basically put it in a nice 2-strand twist all the way down, and I did that for 4 sides, as you can tell, and that's how I'm gonna be blow drying my hair today. So yeah, let's just get started because this process is gonna take forever. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you the products that I'm actually gonna be using for this video. Of course, I'll be using a blow dryer, and I've been having this one for a while. It is from Remington. This is a Remington blow dryer. The words are smudged off, but it's a Remington blow dryer. So my Remington blow dryer, I'll be using some clips to section off my already sectioned parts into smaller sections. I'll be using a brush detangler. As you can see, this one is completely clean, and if your brush isn't clean, I would clean it before, or I would get a new brush. In this video, I'm not using heat protectant. I do not blow dry my hair often, and also I don't put heat on my hair often unless it's like for my deep conditioning, so heat is never like running through my strands. If you want to use if you would like to use a heat protectant spray of some sort, you can, but in my opinion, it's just water. I'm not straightening my hair. I'm just blow drying it for braids. So I am going to add a little bit of oil. This is the Lock Butter from Carol's Daughter. And I love this stuff so much, you guys. Like, it gets your hair to be super shiny without being like mad oily. I don't know how to explain it, but it's awesome. So yeah, let's just get started. So now that I'm unraveling it, it is a little bit damp in the middle. Like, the ends are dry, but it's a little bit damp, like right in here, which is okay. Completely okay. I'm gonna take this section and split it in half. And my little clip. My section is already detangled. I'm gonna take some of this Lock Butter and add it to the section. Really focusing on the ends. So I'm gonna take about that much, rub it in my palms, and just put it really on my ends and on my edges. There we go. So first, I'm just gonna use the tension method, which is pulling your hair down and letting the air go against it, and just, you know, continue to hold it down, and then I will comb through it and see if it needs to be straightened out a little bit more. Okay, so this is my hair. The ends are not straightened out, but I'm gonna take this section and split it, clip it away. I'm taking a little bit more of that lock butter and adding it to these ends. So step one is to do the tension method to my hair with the iron, which is this, holding down on it and letting it go all the way down to the end. And then after that's done, then I will take my detangling brush, which is number 2 detangling brush, comb my hair through and follow with the chase method, putting the comb under my hair and blow drying it down. Comb that hair out, honey. Starting from the root to the tutor. Starting from the bottom to the top. I just want to make sure it's detangled. even though my hair is blow dried, as you can see, it still shrinks up. It still shrinks. It still shrinks.